Hello, it's Sam here, editor of Oracle Time, and today I'm here with the Carl F. Bucherer Heritage BiCompax Annual. Of all the retro timepieces that have appeared over the past couple of years, Carl F. Bucherer's might just be my favourite. That's a bold claim, I know, seeing as we're currently drowning in a sea of vintage reissues, 70s throwbacks and quirky archival design touches, but I'm sticking to my guns here. It's a stunning watch. The original version of the Bi-Compax chronograph dates back to 1956, and in shape at least, this modern reboot looks much the same, thanks to its elongated chronograph pushers and syringe hands. On the wrist, however, the difference in size is dramatic, updating the original 34mm case to 41. Personally, I don't mind the change at all, but I can certainly see a market for a sub 40mm edition. Still, the larger it is, the more we get to see that dial. The dial here is closer to rosé champagne than it is salmon, but it still has the same vintage charm, especially when paired with the rose gold and steel bicolour case. That said, it's not all rose-tinted glasses, and the annual calendar behind the watch is a substantial one. For some collectors it's perpetual or bust, and setting the watch once a year is just far too much effort. These people are awful people. An annual calendar brings the price down substantially, and given I for one regularly let my watches wind down, really has no negative impact on general wear. The Bi-Compax, meaning two sub-dial layout, keeps the dial nice and clean, while the sub-dials themselves are bordered in rose gold to match the case. There's a great vintage racing feel, fit for some driving gloves and an E-type. The movement behind it is the CFB 1972, a solid piece of work that doesn't break the mould in any particular way, but it still has a cool rotor and is finished flawlessly. The 42-hour power reserve is slightly less than I'd want for a calendar, but not so small as to be off-putting. The Heritage BiCompax Annual is a serious piece of watch, and not just for its £8,440 price tag, giving you an annual calendar, chronograph and a beautiful 50s design. It is just a shame there's only 888 of each model. I can't be the only person out there thinking this is the current king of retro charm. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest watch news and reviews, and don't forget to let us know in the comments which watch you'd like us to look at next.